Mabuhay mga kakusina! Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang Paksing Demonyo. Tutulong sa atin ang aking apo na si Julia.
Hola! Can you teach us one recipe?
Yeah, we are going to make Paksing Demonyo.
Is it easy to prepare?
Yes, very easy and very masarap, manyaman.
Let's try to do it.
Okay. For the ingredients, we have this talong, eggplant, ampalaya, ginger, kangkong, sibuyas, and sili. We have also sugar, salt, and vinegar, and a little of water. That's it. The first thing we'll do is to caramelize the sugar.
How long should the sugar be in the stir dryer?
Just put a little, because the Kapampangan are very fond of sweets. So I'll put about 1/3 cup. And then we'll leave it here until it melts. You look at it. We can add 1/4 cup of water. And then a little of salt, vinegar, and then first we will have to add our kangkong. Kasi matagal ito eh, matigas, no? Alam mo matigas?
Yes.
Anong matigas?
Hard?
Yeah. This is the kangkong. Then we'll add the ginger.
So are we gonna put lots of each? Or
Yeah.
little?
Yeah. You know why they call it Paksing Demonyo?
No. May kwento pa?
Meron. Alam mo, there was a family, no, isang pamilya, and they were so poor that oftentimes they didn't have anything to eat. So the farmer one day got fish, nagkuha ng isda, and then asked the wife to cook it with vegetables as extender. Tapos, the devil got jealous because although they were poor, they are a happy family, big happy family. And then what the devil did was to eat all the fish that were added in this recipe, and then nothing was left. Thinking that the father will get mad because there's no more fish left. And then we'll add a little more of vinegar, and water.
Smelling good.
Yeah. Ano kaya? Tatagalog ako. Kakapampangan ako. Naintindihan mo?
Opo.
Oh, yung pala. Bakit tayo nag-i-English? Ha? So, ang sinasabi ko sa'yo kanina, instead of mag-aaway-away, kinain nila, nasarapan sila, at masaya yung pamilya. Hindi naging successful ang devil. I have to taste it. It's okay. Now, look at the vegetable, if they are already done, and then you add the other ingredients, which is the talong, eggplant. Now we will cover it for a while. Let it boil for about 2 minutes. What's your favorite recipe? Favorite food?
Paksiw.
And what? What do you know? Aside from this, what else do you cook?
Spaghetti.
Oh, spaghetti. You master spaghetti, ah. After 2 minutes, wow, it's boiling.
It is boiling.
Yeah.
What you were meaning?
Now, you have to put this, the sili. Sige, you add the sili now. And then, you cover it again. Okay. In the past, we pray.
You pray until...
One Our Father and one Hail Mary, and then everything is done. You want to pray now? No? Okay. Now, it's almost done. Ito, luto na po siya. You know, Julia, we call this also Atcharang Gulay. Atcharang Gulay.
Atcharang Gulay.
Pickled vegetables.
This is our finished product. Let us try this. Masarap.
Talaga? Masarap?
Opo, thank you.
Tayo po dyan na may mga anak na gusto ring magluto, magkurang-kurangan dito sa ating kusina. Iniimbita po kayo namin para just let us know para po kayo naman ang i-guess namin dito sa From My Kitchen to Yours.
For more exciting recipes, click the like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Until next time, adios and thank you.